Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro, and let me show you how to apply dark mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select display and brightness. Here it is, and simply click on dark. And as you can see, right after that, your device is in dark mode, so you have black display with white letters, so it's very useful while night reading. And then if you'd like to go back to the normal mode, to the standard one, simply go back to display and brightness and select light. And as you can see now, you are back in the normal mode, so you can use your device as usually. And that's basically all. This is how you can switch between those themes in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.